guys, we finally got them. I told y'all, your boy The Vintage is going to be on a tear this year when it comes to giving you guys these early looks. And this one right here, I'm telling you right now, bruh, is going to be a problem. Don't say I didn't tell you so. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys come and see what your boy The Vintage is talking about. Like I said, bro, we have a banger for y'all. Shout out to my boy Tops, man. He done got that instilled into my mind because these right here are some bangers, bro. So again, shout out to the homie Tops. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. Hey, I got some stuff coming, bro. We got some heat coming. So I need you guys to stay tuned, stick around by getting all notifications, by hitting the notification bell, and run the likes up, bro. We need to get every early look to at least 500 likes. If we get more than that, hey, I'm more than grateful. But if you guys can help me out, let's get to the 500 likes because these early looks, they ain't cheap, man. So hit that like button. It's free 99. I'm paying a penny to give you guys these looks. So let's see what we got in store from Nike and Jordan brand 2025. It's crazy. It's just so much coming out. I'm getting lost in the releases. There's just so much coming out. So again, let's get into this early look, man. All right, you guys see, man, check out the box. You have the huge red Jumpman up top right there. Flip it around, you guys can tell it is a Jordan 3 box with the cement on the bottom and a black top. And then official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, dark charcoal, and white. And I got these things in my personal size, 9.5. You guys can see what we have, man. Y'all should know. Y'all should know what we got already. But let's go ahead and flip them open and check them out, bro. Yes, sir. Look at these beauties, man. The Air Jordan 3 black hats, man. Yo, these joints is so crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie, I already have to take a little peek at these before I unbox them. I said, bro, these are a no-brainer, a must cop for everybody, and they are going to end up a problem. And I know this might be an unpopular opinion. But I am liking these more than the Air Jordan 4 black hats. I don't know if it's that patent leather on the side. I don't know if it's that switch up between the nubuck patent leather and that nice cement elephant print on the the back tabs and the toe box. It's just something about it, bro. It is something about these beauties right here. And I'm telling y'all, bro, this is going to end up being a problem. I'm already checking the resale. I'm already kind of gauging and seeing how people are feeling about some of these sneakers we're getting. And the black hat 3s are definitely a hot topic, a hot priority, high on everybody's list in terms of grabbing them. But you guys can see, bro. You guys can see them, man. I'm liking them more than the black cats. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the black cat 4s real quick. Hold on, y'all. Let me grab these things, bro, so we can check them out together. And yeah, you guys can see, man, black cat 4s, which are releasing this year, I think more towards the end of the year, like November or October time frame. But bro, let me show y'all these black cats. My bad. Look at these black cat 3s, though. Man, I don't know, bro. And it's crazy because they are, of course, they both black sneakers. But when you get a nice little contrast between the patent leather, nubuck, and you almost got that same type of vibe on the midsole of the black cat 4s. Kind of got this nice little shimmer shine to the midsole. But bro, these 3s is taking the cake, bro. I'm not gonna hold y'all. And they do not come with any extra laces that I'm seeing. Let me make sure. No extra laces, but you have these, elephant print type laces that comes equipped with it. And then you have a nice little, shimmer to the Jumpman on the tongue. And then let's check out these heels, bro. Let's check out the heel tab, bro. They just executed these perfectly, bro. I don't think Nike could have did anything better besides add the little writing that they had on the back. I think the pair release last time had a black cat or something on the back of the tab. But other than that, bro, this is a no-brainer, top 10 for me. No-brainer, bro. And again, I'm liking these more than the black cat 4s. And you guys know I love Air Jordan 4s, but bro, let let me give y'all 360, man. Y'all can see. I need you to go crazy in the comment section, bruh. Y'all done probably already seen them 100 times, but try and get your boy the vintage take on them. And these are looking pristine. Like really, really good condition, bro. You know, when we get threes, we usually always, you know, highlight a couple things. What the quality looking like, what the elephant print looking like, and of course, you know, the production, like how many pairs is it mass produced, is it a reimagined, like what are they doing with the sneaker? But in a sense, bro, this meets all my, you know, criteria. Like this is a solid Air Jordan 3, and I'm happy Nike and Jordan Brand brought these things back out, man. They did it with a bang, you know what I'm saying? It would have been even crazier if they went through Nike on the back. Just go something crazy, because you guys know Nike and Jordan Brand is not slowing down at all when it comes to releases. We still have Galaxies, we still have black metallic 5s, we still have white cement 4s. It is so much heat coming out, and they started the year with a bang, in my opinion. Look how the light hit that patent leather. Yo, these things crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. But these joints will be releasing this weekend. I think the retail tag is $210. I think it's like $210. If not, I'm gonna put it up here. I'm pretty sure it's either $200 or $210 on the retail tag. But I'm telling y'all, man, this is gonna be one of them ones. We're gonna see some vlogs. We're gonna see some people on Twitter, on Instagram talking about the release. But nonetheless, I am all over, bro. This is definitely top 10 for me. And right now, it's top 1, you know what I'm saying, until we get some other heaters. But you guys let me know your honest thoughts, your honest opinions over the renewed, they gonna say reimagined, the renewed Black Cat 3s, because it does not have the right on the back tab. But man, I think Nike and Jordan Brand executed these joints perfectly, bro. I didn't even point out the white Jordan on the outsole right there. And you do also have a white Jumpman on the insole. Maybe you guys can peep that out. But yeah, man, these things is okay in my opinion, bro. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So let's go ahead and do your boy a favor, hit that sub button, hit the notification bell, and run them likes up. And of course, we gotta get them interactions up in the comment section. So let's get it going, bro. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm also being said, man, your boy the Vintage. Gonna get you guys in next video, man. Peace.